Hey guys, I am back with a 12 by 12 layout. I've got a few pieces over here that I got laid out. These are all just from my scrap paper. This is the only paper I know, and it's from Simple Stories. But anywho, this is a picture of my oldest. He is now 16 and a headache. Who knew how hard raising teenagers would be? Anywho, I went with kind of a fall theme, obviously. And sorry. Anyway, this is a picture that it's one of those pictures that I just had over to the side. Doesn't fit into my photo thingamabobbers where I know what size I want to do with it. So I thought, let me just go ahead and take care of it. Obviously I wanted it on a 12 by 12 just because of the size of it. And I might most likely run out of ATG, but then I'll just pause you guys and come back. Oops. This one I know has that, you know what I could do? Just cut that off, huh? Cut it off and then stick it to the paper, because that's about how my life goes. It's all good. And I just wanted to do kind of him in the middle, focal point-ish, focal point-y-esque. Now, because I do want these to go this way, let's see if it'll be too short. I didn't want them to go up and down. I wanted them to definitely go this way. Kind of a triangle effect. No. Oops, there it goes. One moment, please. And we're back. Little camera magic there for you. Okay, so I have picked out a few little pieces here and there. To do the layerings with, and this is Pink Fresh Boys Fort. So it's the only ephemera pack I have that goes with boys, and I thought, because his shirt is black, so is his shoes, so I thought that would be cool. Then I couldn't help but think to use these like, I don't know what you call them, but it's the army way of saying the alphabet. Just as like little layering pieces. Because of the tan in it, basically. I thought that looked fine. Okay, that's that ephemera pack. And then I also took this camera out of the Carpe Diem, the Reset Girl, which has gold in it, which I thought, after I saw that, I was like, oh yeah, that goes well. So I brought out a few other little pieces. But I didn't want that to be like the focal point. I want this one to be, so that's why I have it squished under there. But I think I want this one down here. and then love up here. And I don't know if this sticks with ATG or not. Oh, this is from Citrus Twist. This little pumpkin. This is the only time I could think I'll ever use it, is on a layout with an actual pumpkin on it. So I can never pull them off right. This one says Delicious Autumn. Ooh, go back here. And I also have these two. I'll probably put this smile up here. Oops. It looks like a flare badge type thing, but I got the stickers from Hobby Lobby and then the enamel that goes over it. These are from a Citrus Twist kit as well. But they say, oh, there's 3 of them in here. Oh, that one was hiding. Pumpkin spice I can hold on to, because I'm sure I have a picture of me and my pumpkin spice lattes. This one says leaves are falling, and this one says sweater weather. So, are these adhesive? I think I ask that every time. But I don't, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't really know when pregnancy brain kicked in for everybody else. My mark seems to be at 6 months. So I wish I could tell you some stories if I could only remember them. Now I think what I will do, border around these. Oh, sorry, did I hit you? I got my hair wrap on and it's a little bit higher than my something, my head. I don't know where I was going with that. Okay. Let's get this camera on here. Now, whew, my legs starting to bother me. Let's see here. I don't know if I better go with matte on these. There we go. I don't know if you guys remember when I got these. It was probably a year ago I got these, 2 maybe, from Peachy Cheap. That came in a Maggie Holmes, and everything in it was gold. Little Maggie Holmes kit. It's like a little mason jar type thing. Okay. Okay. Now what I think I'm going to add is a border, doodly border, and did I bend this already? I get in such a hurry and I end up bending them. Get over that pumpkin spice. Oh, gosh, that scared me. That was weird. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. I don't feel it hit my head because my head's covered in a towel. Alright, and then some beautiful Nouveau drops, huh? Alright, not too bad. Well, simple, easy layout. I used quite a bit of my stash with my papers and my ephemera packs. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a great rest of your week. And I'm hoping to get on a schedule Wednesday and Saturdays, I'm thinking. We'll see. Alright, don't forget to get your crafty time in. See you guys next time. Bye!